Mr. Ahmad. Ahmad from the family, architect family, who made the alabaster jar, who made a statue. So he explains everything for you about how the ancient Egyptian people made jar, statue. How it came from one block of stone like that to be very thin like that. I did not finish it. When it will be finished, it's like that. Can you see how it's heavy? Very light. Look at in the beginning. How it should be in the beginning. How light. Be strong. Yeah, Mr. Ahmad.
Good morning. Everybody speak English? Yes. Everybody speak English? Yes. Everybody speak Arabic? No. Good here. Okay. Now here I explain for you some information. How you know the quartz stuff. How you know the fake stuff. Alabaster here is quartz stuff for 3 colors. For example, like that. That one from white alabaster. Look everybody. That one from brown alabaster. That one from gray alabaster. Alabaster they bring it behind Thames Valley about 125 kilometers. This by dunk is low because no road for car and camel. Road like that. For bigger by camel. For a small by dunk.